How much training do you really need to start working as a professional organizer? If you're passionate about decluttering and organizing and want to make a career out of it, then today's video is for you. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. If you're new here, welcome. If you're just starting out as an organizer or even just thinking about becoming a professional organizer, you'll want to subscribe to this channel. This is the 5th video of 5 videos that I'm doing on business basics for professional organizers. You can click here to get that entire playlist, or subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos become available. So I'm a big believer in just starting with what you know and where you are. This may sound a little strange coming from someone with hundreds of hours of training and a couple of certifications in this industry and someone who sells professional organizing training, but you really don't need formal training to start working as a professional organizer. It's all about harnessing the skills you already have. For instance, if you are a supermom who's mastered the art of keeping your kids' closets in check, why not offer to help other mothers with those chaotic closets? Or if you have a background in culinary art or just an amazing home chef, you can share those skills by organizing a friend and offering to do a kitchen or pantry makeover. The key is to start where you feel most confident. Now, while jumping in is great, there's one skill you'll definitely want to learn, which is how to conduct an effective organizing consultation and planning session. This isn't just a chat with your client or giving them an estimate that's probably meaningless anyway. It's about crafting a custom action plan tailored to your client's unique needs. Getting buy-in from your client and setting expectations is so important. No two homes are the same. One might be bursting at the seams with memorabilia, while another one may just really need great storage solutions. Creating a repeatable process that you can use with every client gives you the confidence to tackle any job. If you don't have a client process yet or know how to conduct a paid consultation, don't worry, I'll show you where you can get that training in just a bit. So think about getting your specialized training after you are working with clients. This might sound a little bit backwards, but I would recommend getting most of your training after working with 5, 10, or even 15 clients. And why is that? Because many certification programs require hands-on experience. Plus, facing real-world challenges is what truly shapes your training needs. Maybe you'll notice you're getting a lot of ADHD clients, or perhaps you get a surge of clients with hoarding behavior, or you want to get more closet design or project management skills. These experiences working with your clients are going to guide you towards the specialized training that will ultimately elevate your service. So if you don't need organizing training before you start your organizing business, what type of training should you have? There are 3 things you'll need when launching and running your business. You're going to need a business plan, a marketing plan, and a client process. I created my course Selling Organization to help you with the business and marketing plan, but also teach you how to conduct a paid organizing session and consultations. I'll show you my exact client process from the first chat you have with your potential client through booking multiple jobs and forming a connection that allows you to offer continuing support to your clients with minimal marketing efforts once your business is established. I would spend about a week on each of the modules. However, the portion on marketing your business is something that you're going to be putting a lot more effort in the, say, first 6 months that you're in business. But then you'll have that repeatable process so you can take a little bit of a break from marketing once you have an established client base. My goal with this course is to get you to the point where you can confidently take paying clients as early as possible and then decide later what what specialized training that you want in your business, but you already have paying clients. So you have an established business, and now you can pay for additional training or conferences or whatever tools you need to grow your business over the years. Setting up your business, finding clients, and organizing for others doesn't have to be overwhelming. You just need to focus on the right things when you are starting out. Begin with what you know, get strategic about your learning, and remember, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Be sure to check out last week's video on how to grow your professional organizing business in less than a year. And please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.